Cheryl. You ripped its stick off.
Me too. I swear to God!
Then put it back in.
Oh. Okay. It goes back in. Okay. Where's the other side? Okay, I have to turn it back. Where's the other side?
You have to go find it. You ripped it off.
Oh, I did it. I don't know where to go. Why?
You don't want to know what Rochelle does on that floor.
I gotta pee. I gotta pee.
Then go pee, Cheryl. You can shut the door.
You promise you won't walk in?
Here's how it works, okay, Cheryl?
There's
You
not.
just shut the door.
But then I can't get out.
You can lock the door from that side, Cheryl.
What? She said she can't get out.